are you all? I hope all are doing great, are happy and living a very healthy life. Welcome to Englishly and I am Divya. So starting off with the day today, we'll continue with sounds as I got many doubts in my previous video where I had uploaded about sounds. Okay, so people had doubt that this is incomplete and they really wanted to know the sounds of each and every alphabet. Okay, from where did what is the sound of this alphabet and that particular alphabet. So I'll be completing that, and after which in my next video, as promised, we'll go with sound vowels and consonants. Okay, so starting off for the day, coming back to the sounds of each and every alphabet. Okay, so may I know what is the pronunciation of alphabet? Like, how do you guys pronounce this word alphabet? I just said that in a wrong manner. Okay, it's alphabet. It's not alphabet. It's alphabet. Alphabet. Okay, the word alphabet is said as alphabet. 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 Okay, it's not alphabet. It's alphabet. Alphabet. Okay, alphabet. Okay, so coming back to the basics as A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Okay, so how do we say these words? What is the sound of these words? Okay, A can be said as A is said as a. Okay, it's a from apple. APPLE. It's apple. Okay, so apple a. Okay, second is B. B is said as b. Okay, it's ball. How do we say ball? B. BALL. 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 Book. Book. Okay, bus. Bus. Okay, so B is said as bus. C. Okay, so where many people here had a doubt that C is said as sir. No, it's wrong. C is said as ka. Again, it's said as ka because we pronounce cat. Okay, CAT, cat. Okay, so C for cat. C again, it's said cookie. So cookie. Okay, ka, cookie. Okay, it's cake. So cake. Again, it's ka. Okay, so as I have said in my previous video, so there are some alphabet with merges with other alphabet, then it becomes a different sound. So if C merges with CH, then it becomes ch. Okay, then it's not k, it's ch. CHAIR, chair. Ch, then it becomes ch. Okay, so CHAIR, chair. Next is D. The sound of D is d, duck. Okay, d. Next is E. E is said as E only. Okay, it's egg. It's I. Again, elephant. So again, E, elephant. Elephant. F is fur. Fan. Okay, fish. Fur. Again, F is sounded as, make it come from the throat. Okay, so just giving a gist of the next class we are gonna do. It's vowels and sounds. Okay, there are 5 alphabets. Okay, which directly comes from our throat. It's A, E, I, O, U. There is just say A, E, I, O, U. Okay, we do not touch our lips here. There is no use of tongue. There is no use of teeth. It directly comes from the throat. And these 5 alphabets are known as vowels, and the rest all it's consonants, where A, E, I, O, U. There is just say A, E, I, O, U. Okay, we do not touch our lips here. There is no use of tongue. There is no use of teeth. It directly comes from the throat. And these 5 alphabets are known as vowels, and rest all its consonants, where A, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, like the lips here, they are moving, but in A, E, I, O, U, nothing moves. It directly comes from the throat. Okay, so try to make the alphabets directly come from the throat to listen to the sound and understand them. Okay, next is G. G for G. It's not J, it's G. Okay, G for grapes. Grapes, grapes, grapes. Okay, G for gate. G, gate. Okay, H. H for hands. H. Okay, hand. H for hand. Again, I. I for ice cream. So again, it's a ice cream. I for ice. Ice. Okay. I for igloo. Again, it's ig. Igloo. Okay. J. J is J. Okay. J for jug. Okay. K. K for kite. Okay. K. Again, it's kite. Kite. Okay. K for kite. K for, again, there is a word here. Knife. K-N-I-F-E, knife. Here the word K is silent. We say knife. Okay, knife. Then L. L for lion. L. Lion. L for lamp. L-A-M-P, lamp. L. Lamp. Okay, it's L. Again N. N for nose. N. Nose. Okay, N for nose. N for nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. Okay, N. Nest. Nest. What is nest? Ghosla. Okay, where the birds live. O. O is said as O only. The sound of O is O. Orange. Okay, orange. Orange. O. Orange. Okay, O for oranges. O for owl. Owl. Okay, owl. O-W-L. Owl. It's owl. 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 Okay, it's owl. P. P for peacock. It's P. Okay, peacock. Pen. P. Pen. It's P. Okay, pen. P-E-N. Pen. Peacock. P. Peacock. Okay, parrot. P. Parrot. Okay, Q. Okay, Q for queen. It's K-V. Okay, it's half K and half V. Queen. Okay, queen. Quilt. Okay, these are the words from the alphabet Q. Okay, R. R as in rose. R. Rose. Rose. Rabbit. Rabbit. R. Rabbit. S. S for sun. Sun. It's said as sun. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. It's said as sun. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Okay. Sugar. Okay. It's sa. Sugar. Sa. Su. Sugar. Okay. It's sa. Again. T. T is for tiger. T. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Yeah, it's T. Tiger. Tree. T. Again, it's T. Tree. Okay. U. U. Umbrella. Okay. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. So it's Y. Unicorn. Okay. V. Van. V. It sounded as V. Okay. V. Van. Okay. V for van. V for violet. V. Violet. Okay, W. W for watch. Yeah, I don't have a watch. Middleware watch here. Okay, so wristwatch. Again, wrist and watch. So it's wrist watch. It's verb. Okay, wrist. Wrist is W-R-I-S-T, where W is silent, and we call it as wrist, not wrist. It's wrist, watch, watch. Okay, well, well, W-E-L-L, well. X tree. Okay, it's X-ray. It's A in Hindi, A-X. Okay, A and half cursor, X. Okay, X-ray. Xmas. Y, yak. Y for yak. It's year. It's said as year. Yak, yo-yo. These are the words from Y. Coming to the last alphabet, Z. Okay, Z for zebra. It's Z, zebra. Okay, zodiac. Okay, zodiac. There are zodiac signs which we say. So zodiac, Z. It's, we don't say it as zebra. It's not zebra. It's zebra. Okay, so signing off for the day, and I hope I had cleared all your doubts regarding sounds, like how are each and every alphabet sounded. Okay, what is the sound of the alphabets, how are the words there pronounced, and what are the sounds which comes from each and every alphabet. So in the next video, as promised, we'll come up with vowels and consonants, and I hope I have cleared all your queries here. All I have left with any doubt in your mind, do comment in the comment box, and I'll try my best again to solve your queries. Okay, so that's all for today. Radhe Radhe. If at all you like my presentation, please like, share and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you.